Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about Selenium WebDriver commands. Selenium commands. Okay. In this commands, what exactly that our Selenium is having Python with Selenium having command side. What all the commands are basically means there is a title command and also we can able to get for current URL of the browser and we are going to get for a close and the final one is a quit. How we can able to do this all operations in a browser level commands. Okay, how we can able to achieve these things. Now if I'm going to do some these operations to getting the title, current URL and close and quit, and how we can able to do. First we need to do for from Selenium we need to import for the driver WebDriver. Then my condition is driver object and WebDriver dot a Chrome. And here is basically the Chrome. Here we can able to do there are two types. Already I explained that my previous video also. See in the Chrome place, if you are using older version or if you are not able to copy paste into that Chrome driver exe into that Python script location, then you need to provide for executable path. If you mouse over into the Chrome place, you can able to see there is a name. It is executable underscore path is presented, and you need to pass for the string value. Okay, and the where it is executable exe file it is presented, that location you need to pass here into here executable path you have to add. Then you need to add for the path. Okay, you don't want to give the path every time, then how we can able to achieve means you need to copy paste that particular exe into a Python location where it is saved while you are installing, right? That time it will save into one folder. That location you need to go for Python location, and after that inside there is a script folder. Inside the script folder you need to pass the copy paste that Chrome driver or exe, any browser exe, you need to copy paste into that particular location. Why you need to copy paste in that particular location means whenever your PyCharm is communicated with the Python, what will happen is virtual machine it is library is rooted, right? That one it will communicated with your Selenium and external file. If there is any file it is presented external file for to communicate with the browser. Once it is found, then it will get it. Even you can able to see there is external libraries. Even inside that there are bulk of files it will be presented, DLs it will be presented, lib folders are presented, side folder and virtual folder, and again the scripts inside that you can able to see there are so many script related files are presented. Even if you are going to a normal virtual machine, even in there also you can able to see there are script folder related information. Okay, but it will communicated with PyCharm is communicated to that particular Python external files. Okay, then we stored here and we need to so get I need to provide my URL https colon www.google.com. Okay, now I raise for my google.com here. First I need to print our title driver dot a title. See basically when you are going to Selenium with Java, then it will say that get title, right? The same format in the Python it is the title one. Now we have the object of the value but we are not print. For that we can able to use print statement. Once you use the print statement, it will comes to here. And even you can able to meaningful name provided purpose, you can able to use two titles. Title of URL Okay, now I need to get for current URL whether it is current URL, we can able to say, and here driver dot current URL. This will gives you for current URL, and we got it for title and current URL, and we need to close the browser and quit that browser. What exactly these two means? Close browser will close a single file, a single browser. Close will close a single browser, while you are going to do for quit will quit all browsers opened by WebDriver. What all the things are opened by our WebDriver, that all the things it will close for quit. Okay, how it is? Example, like you can able to come to in this location, this particular file URL. There is a button. If you click this button, it will open for new tab, right? How this works and how it is doing. And for that to we can able to do from some operation also, right? To do in google.com, we can able to take this URL only. Okay, now I have this one and I need to use for some time to wait 5 seconds. Okay, now I waited some time and then I need to quit. Quit means before that I need to provide this one. Then we can able to inspect this particular location and we can able to create for my XPath like button slash text, and we can able to pass single quotation my text and close it. Okay, I have my XPath is ready. Then go to here, and for communicating for this particular web elements, you need to use for Selenium that web dot common dot a by keyword, and we can able to use by. Okay, by is basically to gives commands for find elements and keys, await, that all the things it will support by. Okay, even locators we can able to communicate it with the by using a by command. Okay, now I need to use driver dot find element. Find element is the one, and it is basically we can able to by dot by dot. Why it is not coming? A by dot xpath, comma, then we are going to copy pasting this location, which is the path we copied. Copy, and okay, now I need to click. You can able to use the click button. Okay, after clicking button I can able to close. Before closing I need to use some time because it need to be opened the properly, right? I'm going to use 2 seconds. Then now I'm going to do for driver dot close. I'm not going to do for quit. First we will go for close. Then now open the terminal and do for some commands running. If you run and see there how it works. It should be close complete browser, but it will close only for single a browser. Now it is navigated. You can see the parent window is closed, but child window is not closed. Correct? How we can able to close up two things means there is a command for quit. Driver dot a quit a command. This will quit that completely. Means all the browsers it will completely close. You can able to see here now. Now it is open the browser and it will click open another tab. Then it will quit for complete browser. Okay, this is a format we can able to use close, quit, and get title and get current title. Yeah, I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like me up, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.